Today we're going to be unboxing Barbie You Can Be Anything, and this is the coffee shop and bakery set. They usually make these things very difficult to open. I'm surprised. This one is very easy to get out of the box. So this is the countertop, as well as the bakery stand and the refrigerator for snacks. A little menu and price list up here, as well as the deluxe espresso coffee maker, it looks like. And here's Barbie herself, and she's a little bit curvier than the regular Barbie. I like that. She's looking great. She's wearing her apron and her little dress and black sneakers. Now to take out all the little accessories that go with it. And here is her little cash register. Put that up there. And we've got a cupcake and some cookies. Some little cake pops. Oh, and then we've got the little coffee cups, and there's 3 of those. They come with the lids too, and little straws. Super cute. Now we gotta fill those coffee cups up with something. So it comes with little inserts, some green tea, some mocha, and maybe a little strawberry shake. Put the cup under there, turn it to the flavor we want, and there's a little switch that you flick on the side, and it drops right down into the cup. And there's another one. All right, and then you pop the lid on with the straw, and you've got a tasty little drink. Look at that. Order up. We've got a little travel cup, coffee cup, and 2 little bottles of water. Put those in the fridge over here. And we've got a gallon of milk and a little teacup. Put those on top of the espresso machine. And I think these are 2 little yogurt containers for a snack on the go. And a chocolate syrup. That would be good for a chocolate shake or a mocha frappuccino, and a little protein bar. All right, and that's everything. Welcome. How can I help you? We've got a little surprise unboxing too. This is another barista, a male, and that's it. It's just him and his little coffee cup and his apron. Male barista. He goes perfectly with this set.